Hello, today is August the 4th, 2021. Trading's closed. Let's go over our disclaimer first, as is our habit. It's my trading plan for tomorrow, August the 5th, 2021. Please follow the rules of my channel and tell your friends about it and click on like. Yesterday was a bullish day, but we called for lower prices, ideally right from the open. So we got that as far as direction goes. As far as magnitude, we had a 43.7423 optional target, which didn't print, so we'll forget that. We had a 43.80.90 target that didn't print, but time doesn't run out until tomorrow. So for now, it still is a live target, but if it doesn't print by early tomorrow, the target remains, but not the time frame. It should still print, we just don't know when. So we have a live lower target, but the issue is complicated by a new target, and even though it's optional, MEJT gives us a 4416.07 target for tomorrow. Doesn't have to print, but it usually does. Here's our optional target from the morning pattern. The afternoon, we had a buy signal, an optional lower target. The lower target printed first, and that satisfied the buy signal. We had this big rally. We have a drop, and so far all we have is a 61.8% retracement of the drop. So if we just keep on dropping, then that counts correct in all likelihood, which shows us having completed 5 waves up, and then we start down. But that's not the only count. I just had wave 4 in the same place and just showed a different way to count A, B, C, C equal to A. The target of this ending diagonal triangle is to retrace it to its origin, and that's happened. So that pattern's already satisfied. There's nothing to say this has to be the end of wave blue 5, could be the end of 1 of 5. Here's the height of wave 4 of greater degree, and so far you've got exactly a 50% retrace, which is an ideal place for this to stop if it's a correction. So far this is a corrective wave and not an impulse, and so we can't be totally convinced that this rally's over. If we rally from here, it doesn't really break any rules since we met the target of the pattern. So signals are mixed. Tomorrow's pattern has early low, we could gap up. It's negative. Today's normally bullish pattern didn't close near its high. Unless we gap and overtake the high promptly, lower prices should print, even if we don't close lower. And that's the easy call. The catch is, it's bullish. We have a higher target, even though it's optional. We dropped all day, couldn't manage to close under the midday low. And there's a wall into the close, a straight line drop, no corrections. And very often those are false moves and we gap up over its origin. So far all we have is the standard fib retracement of the drop. If we continue down from here, counts compatible with the current leg being over, but the bears need follow through since the move isn't impulsive, and until you undercut this low, this still could be part of an up leg. So we have mixed signals. We use the standard rules. We'd like to see a gap and a quick move outside the day's range. If we close, it'll change. We have to wait until Friday. And hopefully the picture's going to be a lot clearer after the early trade tomorrow or by Friday at the latest. Tomorrow should have the early low, and that is today's call.